Do this to save your life. If you're ever in this situation, always try to get out, and this is how you do it. Use your weight, lean forward, and try to shimmy your wrist out of this handcuff. So what you do is, hold one foot down, other foot planted, hold this side stationary. We're gonna hold it stationary, don't move it. This hand, we're gonna focus on getting this hand free. What you do is lean forward, and then pull. Pull using your weight. It might hurt a little bit, but this is the only way to get out. Here we go. Look at my wrist, it's stuck, but I'm gonna use the weight and lean forward to get free. Here we go. Adjust. Keep going.